phase 2 of our M1102 trailer project, and today I'm here with my daughters Georgina and Rivlin. They're going to be helping on camera duties and navigating and otherwise. And we're going to head down to Paso Robles, and we'll fill you in a little later on exactly what we're doing, but let's get going. Alright guys, so we're headed to Paso Robles. It's about an hour away, and we're going to kick off phase 2, I guess, of the trailer, the M1102 trailer. If phase 1 was picking it up, phase 2 is the first modification or addition. So I'm not going to reveal just yet exactly what we are doing, but I will by the end of this video, so stay tuned.
Yeah, and then we can work out however tall you want it.
Yeah.
I know, I mean, the images that you sent me, there's like a toolbox in here and some other stuff, so we can kind of play with that.
It looked about right in terms of height. I want to have the tent so that we can, you know, like it'll probably be a fold out, or at least have an awning there, so we won't be able to get under that.
Yeah.
So, you know, sort of.
So good.
Whatever height that is.
Probably 7 feet, so you don't have to duck under it.
Yeah, we'll have to see. This thing's pretty tall, so that may not be. We can't go too long probably on those legs, but
yeah. Cool.
So you got a pretty cool fat wagon here.
Yeah.
Are these homemade?
Yep, I made these. I made the bumper.
You made the bumper too.
And then I'll be working on our.
This could be dangerous. So that's the stock hitch with different
yeah, the stock
fair
winch.
leads and things.
I put a different fair lead on the front. It actually goes through the stock fair lead because that's part of the mount.
Yeah.
It's all one big cast piece in there, so.
Is this your design, or is this a...
Yeah, I just built it out of little pieces out of cardboard here and there, and then cut it out with a plasma cutter, and then.
And is there, did you have to cut the liners under here for the...
Yep. Yeah, they were painting down to paint those. Yeah. I cut them at an angle, and I think the other side is the thing on thank you. The liners are nice too. Yeah, I just finished those a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, sliders on the list.
And then I actually had to use the sliders to lift the truck to put the long arms under, because where you would normally put the pads on the frame to lift the truck up, you would need to cut out the old short arm mounts, you know, the stock control arm mounts and all that.
So hey Brian, full size 4-wheel is your Instagram tag, and Power Wagon owner like myself, pretty sweet model. This is a 2013?
2013, yes.
Yep. And so we haven't really said too much about what Brian's going to be helping us with, but it is a fabrication project and it does involve the trailer. So we'll do some more updates over the coming weeks. Probably in 3 or 4 weeks we'll have the finished project, so maybe we'll do a few updates between now and then. So, Brian, nice to meet you on Instagram. That's how we got connected.
Perfect.
And we'll get out of your way and you get on with your day.
Alright, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And you're going.
Alright, so revealed a little bit of information there about our project and the next phase. And more will be revealed in future episodes here on YouTube. And also check out our Instagram page, which is @travel4x4.tv for daily and weekly updates of our progress on this project and other projects that we're working on. And as always, thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more of our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified when we release a new video. And it would really help our channel out if you like the video, if you would give us a like. Again, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.